walks in silk with a serpent smile, whispers sweet deals in a crooked aisle. Cards on the table, but the rules are bent. You play for love, she plays for rent. It's a dangerous game, hearts on fire, dancing on wires, dressed in desire. One wrong step and the mask will fall, but still we play, we risk it all. Every move, a mirror maze, truth disguised in velvet haze. You think you're winning, but the stakes are souls, not coins in this charade. It's a dangerous game, hearts on fire, dancing on wires, dressed in desire. One wrong step and the mask will fall, but still we play, we risk it all. Men in suits with blood on pens, signing futures they'll never defend. A child cries out in a silent war while they toast peace behind closed doors. In the temple of doubt, I knelt alone, prayed to God, was carved out of stone. But the voice I heard was mine reborn, saying even light can be battle worn. It's a dangerous game, truth or lie. We gamble dreams beneath the sky. One wrong word and the towers shake, but still we play for freedom's sake. So count your scars like sacred beads. Each one is a testament to broken creeds. We dance through fire, we laugh through pain. In this dangerous game, nothing's in vain. It's a dangerous game.